Continuing with mensuration and cubes, we are going to now do a sum involving volume. This is from the class 9th NCERT book, chapter 13.13 and exercise 13.5. A solid cube of side 12 centimeter. So first they are talking about a solid cube of side 12 centimeter. So let the side A be 12 centimeter, is cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. It's now cut. Cut means what? You're taking the whole solid and you're going to cut it, the inside and the outside. So when I was explaining about the formulas, we know that when something involving the inside of a shape is coming, you have to use the volume, and here in the question itself they have mentioned its volume. So first we need to find the volume of the solid cube. Now it's cut into 8 cubes of equal volume. So this big volume cube is divided into smaller cubes which are inside. It's like a big box inside which there are again 8 small boxes. That's the logic. So what I am going to do is, I am going to assume that the 8 cubes, the side is S for the side of the smaller cube. So we know when we are talking about something or number of, it is the total divided by the single one which is there. Since they are all identical, it means the number of cubes which can be kept inside this box will be equal to total volume of the single big cube divided by the volume of one single smaller cube. So the number of cubes will be equal to the total volume of the bigger one of the solid cube divided by the volume of one smaller cube which is inside it. So one smaller cube. Now we know the volume is equal to, since the side is A, so we are writing A cube, and this is smaller one is S, so S cube. Now we know the number of cubes is 8. So 8 is equal to A cube by S cube. So when we are going to do cross multiplication, S is going to go here and A is going to go here. So S cube is going to be equal to, A is given as 12. So 12 into 12 into 12 divided by 8. Now for easy calculations, since they are asking cube, I am going to divide in such a way that the same number is coming. So 8, 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, again 2 2s are 4, 6 are 12, again 2 1s are 2, 6. So now the S cube is equal to 6 cube. So which implies what? S is equal to 6 centimeter. Here we are avoiding multiplication and then again factorizing to find the cube. So this is an easier method for that. So the smaller cube has a side of 6 centimeter. So what will be the side of the new cube is 6 centimeter. Also find the ratio between the SAs. So what is the ratio between the SAs? So ratio of their surface areas. What do you mean by ratio? Ratio means division of the top and the bottom. So bigger one divided by the smaller one. So the TSA of the solid cube divided by the TSA of one smaller cube. So now again, what is the TSA of a cube? It's 6a square. So here a means 12. So 6a square by 6s square. So 6 and 6 get cancelled, and so a square by s square alone is remaining. A we know is 12. So 12 into 12 divided by 6 into 6, which is nothing but 6 2s are 12, 6 2 is 12. So 2 into 2, which is equal to 4 divided by 1. And since it is a ratio, you are converting this division into is to. So 4 is to 1. So that is the ratio of the surface areas.